5 years.
Yeah, let's do our best to kill Ruffians. Yeah! Papa! First news of 2025! Papa! To December 31st. And every day was super special. And as I look forward to the... As I look forward to... As I look forward to the excitement 2025 brings, I want to pause and say thank you. It's not a tissue. No. Papa, we're waiting a long time, Moko-chan. Good thing you hurried up there, huh? More amazing is not possible, right? That's what I feel like too. But I kinda. Oh, how many sneezes is that already into the new year, huh?
I don't know. We're gonna be at 500 soon.
That's quite a bit, I think, huh, Ruffians? Wow. Came into 2025 and you're like, I'm not letting the Ruffians think that I don't sneeze anymore.
Huh?